subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends. Welcome back to my channel, Possible with Prakhya. I am Prakhya and today I am going to show you one simple fun experiment. For this experiment you need two vessels, hot water, cold water, a plastic bottle and a balloon. So let's start the experiment. First, cold water in the second vessel. This is cold water and hot water. So this is cold water. I guess it's not so much visible to you. And this is hot water. It's hot, very hot. So let's begin the experiment. First take the empty bottle and place a balloon on top of the bottle. Like this. Now place it in the hole. It's inflating! Oh my god! So let's put it over cold water and it's immediately going to deflate. Deflating. Inflate, inflate, inflating. Deflate, deflate, deflating. What a great trick to try, right? That's because the air inside the bottle gets heated up when you place it inside the hot water bowl and expands the air molecules. And when you place the bottle inside the cold water, the same thing happens but the reverse process. This is called thermal expansion. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Possible with Prakhya. I'm Prakhya and today I'm going to show you one simple experiment with water, gauze, toothpicks and a rubber band. So these are the materials. Fill the bottle with water. I poured it till the top and it also created a surface tension on it. So place the gauze on top of the bottle's neck and fasten it with a rubber band. This is how it looks. Take some toothpicks in your hand. Now place your hand on top of the bottle and twist it, hold tight and count till 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Now I am removing my hand slowly. The water is not coming out because there's a surface tension got created at the mouth of the bottle. So I am placing the sticks and it's getting sucked into the bottle. That's because of air which is at the top of the bottle. And another reason for this is because these are wooden sticks and wooden sticks are likely to drift in the water. Going any further. And that's a great magic trick. I'm going to shake it a little. Like my video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my video. Bye bye.